सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यंकरवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वंदे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। 3+400तमी 403rd क्लास टुडे अद्य यत्र संक्षेपरामायणं पठ्यमानमस्ति। गतकक्षायां वयं श्लोकसंख्या वर्तते 8+70 श्लोकः पठितः। तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः 55तमः अभ्यासः इदानीम् अस्माभिः क्रियमाणः अस्ति। 55तमः तमे अभ्यासे गतकक्षायां त्रयः अंशाः कृताः। 3 points of the 55th exercise have been done, Srinivas. We have to do, I think, शेषौ द्वौ अंशौ चतुर्थः अंशः पञ्चमः अंशः। चतुर्थांशे वाक्यरचनं तत्र करणीयं। वाक्यानि रचयत इति यानि वाक्यानि तत्र दत्तानि विकीर्णानि दत्तानि तानि सम्यक्तया करणीयं। You have to make sentences, useful sentences from this box given there. Srinivas, try. One is done for you. Hanuman
प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा रामाय न्यवेदयत्
इति एकं वाक्यं तत्र पुस्तकेन एव दत्तमस्ति। द्वितीयं भक्तः
प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा देवं न्यवेदयत्।
प्रदक्षिणं कृत्वा देवं अपूजयत्। न भक्तः प्रदक्षिणम् इतः पूर्वं गतं न, इट्स् ओवर् आल्रेडि। भक्तः कीर्तनं कृत्वा देवम् अपूजयत् इति वाक्यम्। सो हाउ इट कम्स? भक्तः फर्स्ट वर्ड, कीर्तनं फोर्थ वर्ड, चतुर्थं पदं, कृत्वा इति समानं तत्र सर्वत्र। देवम् इति पदं द्वितीयं पदं चतुर्थ प्रकोष्ठे in the fourth column, second word, first word, fourth word, of course कृत्वा same, devam, then apujayat, third word. This is the sentence. We repeat, bhaktah कीर्तनं कृत्वा देवम् अपूजयत् इति वाक्यं। द्वितीयं माता
कार्यं कृत्वा
भोजनमपि अस्ति खलु। माता भोजनं कृत्वा
जलम् अपिबत्।
न न न माता भोजनं कृत्वा पुत्रम् अखादयत्। माता भोजनं कृत्वा, माता भोजनं सिद्धं कृत्वा, भोजनं कृत्वा नाम भोजनं सिद्धं कृत्वा, having prepared, mother having prepared the food, made the son eat. पुत्रम अखादयत्। अखादयत् इति निच् प्रयोग, श्रीनिवास। Not mother having prepared the food did not eat, made her son eat. Putram akhadayat. See the verb there, not akhadat. Akhadat means mother having prepared the food ate herself. No. Having prepared the food, mother made the son eat. Khadati, khadayati. You know the difference. Preranartha Srinivas. Nich. Akhadayat. अनन्तरं हनुमान् इति ओवर्। बालिका स्नानं कृत्वा भक्त्या न्यवेदयत् इति भवितुम् अर्हति। बालिका स्नानं कृत्वा भक्त्या न्यवेदयत्. Only that is possible, na? Oh, न्यवेदयत् already come, na?
जलम् अनुत्य
स्नानं कृत्वा जलम् अपिबत्.
जलम् अनुत्य
बालिका स्नानं कृत्वा देवं पुत्रम over Ramaya over jalam. Only two are left out now. Jalam bhaktya. I thought bhaktya, but it could be apuja. It already come, na? Achha. Jalam snanam krutva jalam apipat. Then what comes of sadhu? Bhojan kirtanam krutva. Sadhu kirtanam karyam is there, na? Oh. Bhaktaha kirtanam over, na? Yeah, over. Sadhu karyam krutva karyam krutva kim akarot putram devam ramaya jalam. Bhaktya is remaining.
Bhaktya anutya.
Anutyat. Okay, okay. Sadhu kim krutva? Kirtanam krutva bhaktya anrutyat. Sadhu having done the kirtana, danced with devotion. So we repeat. Bhaktaha, Srinivas, kirtanam krutva devam apujayat. Bhaktaha kirtanam krutva devam karyam. No, bhakta always does kirtana. Sadhu you have not said, na karyam. Some sentence has to be made. See, something has to be made here. Not very nice. Huh? Bhaktaha kirtanam krutva devam apujayat. Mata bhojanam krutva putram akhadayat. Balika snanam krutva jalam apibat. Sadhu karyam krutva bhaktya anrutyat. This could come also for Balika also. Anrutyat. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can match it. Vayamatra adhikam kimapi kurmaha. Okay, that sentence. Panchamamshaha nimnalikitas dhatunam trishalingeshu kta pratyantam rupam kadanam. Tanta rupani lekaniyani. Then try Srinivas. Trush is like Pullinga. Napumsakalinga, Strilinga. Oh. Acha, he wants all the three lingas of that. Drush becomes with Ktanta, Drushtaha, Pullinge, Strilinge, Drushta, Ramaha, Drushtaha, Murgaha, Drushtaha, Sita, Drushta, Vanam, Drushtam. Iti linga bhedaha bhavati. Pullinge Deva Shabdavat, Strilinge Rama Shabdavat, Napumsake Vana Shabdavat, Ktanta Rupani bhavanti. So the past passive participle, what we call as ktantam, is derived in three genders, like in Pullinga, in masculine gender like Deva Shabda, in feminine gender like Rama Shabda, in the neutral gender it is like Deva Phala Shabda or Vana Shabda. So that is what here Pullinga, Napumsaka, Strilinga, that is the order given here. Drushtaha, Drushtam, Drushta. Kaha Drushtaha? Mrugaha drushtaha, Suvarna mrugaha drushtaha, Kim drushtam, Vanam drushtam, Ka drushta, Sita drushta, Kena Sita drushta, Hanumata, Anjaneyena Sita drushta. So that is the usage. Now you go with Parityaja. Parityaja plus Kta. Kta means Ta only. Parityakta. Parityaktaha, good. Parityaktam. Parityakta. व्यसनम मया परित्यक्तम, बैड हैबिट हैज बीन गिवन अप बाय मी। व्यसनम मया परित्यक्तम, भोजनम मया न परित्यक्तम। दुराशा मया परित्यक्ता, दुराशा मया परित्यक्ता। मोहः न केनापि परित्यक्तः, मोहः न केनापि परित्यक्तः। Infatuation is not given up by anybody. So that is how परित्यक्तः, परित्यक्तम, परित्यक्ता इति त्रिषु लिंगेषु। पूज प्लस त, पूजित, पूजितः रामः सर्वैः भारतीयैः पूजितः। पूजितं, पूजिता सीता अपि पूजिता। सो पूजितः, पूजितं, पूजिता। गम तांत, गतः रामः वनं गतः, गतः गतं गता, सीता गता, समस्या गता, पीड़ा गता। स्त्रीलिंगे, पुल्लिंगे गतः, गतं, गम गतः। आ उपसर्ग पूर्वकात् नी धातोः क्तान्त योगेन आनीत, आनीतः ब्रॉट, आनीतः। पुत्रः, पित्रा पुत्रः आनीतः। सन इज बीन ब्रॉट बाय द फादर। पित्रा पुत्रः आनीतः। ग्रामात् पित्रा पुत्रः आनीतः। आनीतं स्त्रीलिंगे आनीता। सीता रामेण लंकातः आनीता, सीता लंकातः आनीता। सीता was brought by Rama from Lanka. आनीता। So just fast repeat Srinivas. परित्यक्तः, परित्यक्तं, परित्यक्ता। पूजितः, पूजितं, गतः, गतं, गता। आनीतः, आनीतं, आनीता। सरलम अस्ति इति न लिखामि, द्विवारं मया उक्तम्, उक्तानि एतानि उत्तराणि। Since it is simple, I am not writing. So they are very, very simple. You can copy them. इदानीं श्लोकः नूतनः पठतु श्रीनिवास। 89तमः श्लोकः, 79th poem.
ततः सुग्रीवसहितो गत्वा तीरं महोदधेः समुद्रं क्षोभयामास शरैरादित्यसन्निभैः।
ततः पदच्छेदं करोमि। सुग्रीवसहितः गत्वा, पदानां छेदः पूर्वमेव कृतः इति मन्ये। तीरं महोदधेः, नो प्रॉब्लम। समुद्रं क्षोभयामास शरैः आदित्यसन्निभैः। पदपरिचयं श्रीनिवास। ततः एक सुग्रीवसहितः गत्वा तीरं नपुंसक महोदधेः समुद्रं क्षोभयामास। शुभ इति धातुः निच, causal in the causal sense, कर्तरि active voice, lit perfect tense, प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर। शरैः बहुवचनं। आदित्य सन्निभैः समस्त पदमस्ति सत्यम्। आकांक्षं रामः तत्र अवगतः। क्षोभयामास, शुभ टू शेक, शुभ धातु मीनिंग शेक, ट्रेम्बल, ट्रेम्बल, शेकिंग, agitating. So Rama agitated, Rama agitated the sea when the sea was not cooperating. यदा समुद्रः रामाय, रामस्य कृते साहाय्यं कर्तुं नैच्छति स्म, तदा रामः समुद्रं क्षोभयामास। शुक, Rama shook it. Rama kena sahitah kshobhayamasa, with whom did Rama shake or tremble the ocean? Understood? Rama shook the ocean, sea along with Sugriva. Saha Sugriva sahitah kutra gatva akshobhayamasa. Where, having gone with Sugriva, where did he tremble? He, accompanied by Sugriva, and having gone to the bank, the shore of the sea, he shook the sea. Saha kasya tiram gatva akshobhayamasa. He shook or trembled, having gone to what shore? He shook or trembled, having gone to the sea, the shore of the ocean. Mahodhadehe tiram gatva. Maha udadi. Mahodhadehe tiram gatva kshobhayamasa saharamaha. Kam kshobhayamasa. What did he agitate or shake? He agitated the ocean. Samudram kaihi kshobhayamasa. With what did he shake the ocean? Sharaihi. He shook or trembled the ocean with the arrows. Next comes what type of kidrushaihi? Samudram kidrushaihi sharaihi kshobhayamasa. With what type of arrows did he shake or tremble the ocean? He shook, trembled, he shook, agitated the ocean with the arrows which were like the sun, sun-like arrows, brilliant arrows. Aditya Sannibhaihi. You are very brilliant like the sun god, sun itself. So, Anvayartham. Tataha. Tataha, thereafter, Sugriva Sahitaha, accompanied by Sugriva, Rama understood, Mahodhadehi Tiram, Samudra Tiram Gatva, having gone to the shore of the ocean, Aditya Sannivaihi Sharaihi, with the arrows resembling, looking like the sun, brilliant like the sun, Sharaihi, Samudram Shobhayama, he agitated the ocean. Padartha, Srinivas. Tataha. Sugriva Sahitaha, Sugrivena Saha, accompanied by Sugriva. Mahodadehi Samudrasya Tiram Tatam Gatva Aditya Sannibhaihi Surya Samanaihi Surya Sadrushaihi Surya Tulyaihi Siraihi Ganaihi Samudram Shobhayamasa. Kshobhaya, Kshubha iti dhatuhu, Kshobhate, Kshobhete, Kshobhante iti lati vartante. Rupani lati kathamartha Kshobhate, Kshobhete, Kshobhante, Kshobhase, Kshobhete, Kshobhadve, Kshobhe uttama purushe, Kshobhe, Kshobhavahe, Kshobhamahe iti vartante. So Kshobhayamasa nama akulam akaroti. Shook to its, okay. आंग्लानुवाद भावार्थः अस्ति इदानीं
अनुमतः वचनं श्रुत्वा श्रीरामः सुग्रीवेन सह समुद्रस्य तीरं
ओके अनुमतः वचनं श्रुत्वा having listened to the words of Hanuman श्रीरामः Lord Rama सुग्रीवेन सह accompanied by Sugriva समुद्रस्य तीरं गतवान् went over to the shore of the ocean sea Lanka Gamanaya, for going over to Lanka, Marga Dane, in giving way, in allowing the way to reach the Lanka, Samudraha, the ocean, Tatparaha na asit, was not willing. The ocean was not cooperating, willing, allowing to go to the Lanka. Tena, by that getting angry, understood, Kruddhaha is there, getting angry by that not allowing of the sea, Sri Ramaha Surya Prakasha Samaihi, Surya Tulyaihi Banaihi, with arrows resembling the sun, brilliant like the sun, Samudram Apatalam, up to its depth, lowest part of this, Akulam agitated Akarot, made. He made the ocean agitated to the depths, to its depth. Iti. Bhavartah samaptah nidarshanam. Vyakarnamshaha sandhi. Sugriva sahito gatva. Sugriva visarga sandhi. Sharair aditya sannibhaihi. Sharaihi aditya sannibhaihi. Both are visarga sandhi. Samasa dvayam Sugriva sahitaha. Sugrivena Sugrivena sahita. So that is good. Mahodadihi. First it is Karmadharya. Mahancha asau udadihi. Udadihi means ocean. Great ocean. Tasya, of that Mahodadihi is Shishti. Aditya Sannivaihi. Sannibha Shabda means Tulya, Srinivas. Sannibha means Tulya. Adityena Sannibaha Tulyaha Samanaha iti. Sannibha nama Samanaha Tulyaha. So Adityena Sannibaha Tulyaha Aditya Sannibaha Trutiya Vatrushta Taihi Aditya Sannivaihi Sharaihi iti. Krudantaha Ekaha Taditantaha Ekaha. Gatva, very simple. Gamtva and Tata is Tasil. Tat plus Tasil. Okay. Abhyasaha Shad Panchashattamaha Nirdeshanusaram Slokat Padani Chinuta. Now compile. Okay, what is that? What is Akaranta Pullinga Dvitiya Ekavachana? From the poem is given Samudram. Akaranta Pullinga Dvitiya Ekavachana. What is Akaranta Napumsakalinga Dvitiya Ekavachanam? Slokateva etani Tiram, yes. Akaranta, Dvitiya. Kha is Akaranta Napumsakalinga Dvitiya Ekavachanam Padam Asti Tiram iti. Ga Tvantam Avyayam. Gatva. Tvantam is Gatva, Sadhu. Gha, fourth one. Akaranta Pullinga Trutiya Bahuvachanam Samastam Padam. Kimasti. Akaranta Pumlinga Trutiya Bahuvachana Padam Sloke Kimasti Samasta Padam. Aditya Sannibhaihi iti. Sadhu. Aditya Sannibhaihi. Nya. Ikaranta Pumlinga Shashti Ekavachanam Punaha Samasta Padam Kimasti. Mahodadehi. Ikarantaha Pumlingaha Shashti Ekavachanam Samastam Mahodadehi ita Purvameva Samasasya Vigrahavakyam Asmabhi Patitam Mahancha Asau Udadihi iti Upari Cha Antima Vakyam Shubha iti Dhatu Nichi Prayoge Kartari Lit Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam Tat Shobhayamasa iti. So, etani sarvani padani api tatra slokat gruhitani chitani santi. Puna ekavaram uttarani patami. Ka dvitiyam uttaramasti tiram. Trutiyam gatva. Chaturtam aditya sannibhaihi. Panchamam mahodadihi. Shashtam antimam shobhayamasa iti. Etani uttarani. Dvitiyamshaha shabdam arthena yojayata. Join the word with its proper meaning. For example, Mahodadhihi Samudrasya is done. Tiram Kulam Tatam. Tatam. Tira Kula Tata. These are the words. Next, Shiraihi Banaihi. Very simple. Shobhayamasa Antim. Akulam Akarot. Aditya Sannibhaihi Surya Sadusha. I think this is very simple. Anybody can do it. I suppose I even don't like to repeat it. So simple. So Atyantam Sarlam Uttarani atra santi. Dvitiyamsha. Trutiyamsha. Slokam Adhrutya, based on the poem. Uttaram likata. Now you write the answers. Ramah kam shobhayamasa. What did Rama agitate?
Ramah samudram shobhayamasa.
Very simple. Kam is, why kam is used here, Srinivas? Kim, why not Kim? Because Samudra is Pullinga. Samudra Shabda is Pullinga. Ramah kim shobhayamasa iti na prashnaha. Ramah kam shobhayamasa. So Samudram shobhayamasa. Dvitiyam. Ramah kaihi shobhayamasa. With what did Rama agitate the ocean?
Ramah sharaihi shobhayamasa.
Ramah sharaihi shobhayamasa. Rama agitated, shook the ocean with the arrows. Ramah kutra gatva kshobhayamasa. Where, having gone, where did Rama shake or tremble the ocean?
Ramah tiram gatva
Tiram gatva kshobhayamasa. Punah. Ramah kena saha mahodadehe tiram gatavan. With whom did Rama go to the shore of the ocean?
Ramah
Sugrivena saha. That's all. Kena Sugrivena. Ramah Sugrivena saha mahodadehi tiram gatavan. Okay. Antimah shloke sharaihi ityasya kim viseshanam. What is the adjective of the word sharaihi in the poem? Aditya sannibhaihi is adjectival to sharaihi noun. Sharaihi iti visheshya padamasti. Aditya sannibhaihi iti visheshana padamasti. Shloke Aditya sannibhaihi ityasya, sorry, sharaihi ityasya Aditya sannibhaihi iti visheshanam asti. So any repetition required? Fast. Ramah samudram shobhayamasa. Ramah sharaihi shobhayamasa. Ramah samudra tiram gatva shobhayamasa. Ramah sugrivena saha. Ante shloke sharaihi ityasya Aditya sannivaihi iti visheshanam. Chaturtamshaha, Srinivas. What is this? Right? Oh, Samudra Shabdasya Pancha Paryaya Vachina. Write 5 similar words, synonymous words of Samudra. Udadi, Mahodadihi. Mahodadehe already there in the poem. Samudraha is one. Mahodadehe. Samudra is already there in the Mahodadihi. Mahodadihi. Ikaranta pulling. It is there in the Ikaranta, but not in the Pratama. It is given Shishti. Mahodadehi. Dadehi. If you go to Pratama Ekavachana, Mahodadihi, like Kavihi. Arnavaha. Another word is Arnavaha. I will write this. Jala Nidhihi. Jala Nidhihi. Mahodadihi. Arnavaha. Jala Nidhihi. Sagaraha. Simple. Sagaraha. Ratnakaraha. Ratnanam Akaraha. Ratnakaraha. It is a storehouse of gems. Samudra is the storehouse of gems, Ratna. All the gems are embedded in the base levels. Pearls and other things you get from this. So it is given as a name Ratnakaraha. What are they? Repeat. Mahodadihi. Arnavaha. Arnavaha. Arnav Goswami, some name is there. Arnavaha. Jalanidhihi. Sagaraha. Ratnakaraha. Shall I write? Not necessary. You can remember. Oh, right. So repeat again. Mahodadihi, Arnavaha, Jalanidhihi, Sagaraha, Ratnakaraha iti pancha paryaya pada shabdaha santi samudrasya. Paryaya vachinaha shabdaha. Okay. Panchama amshaha Prakriti pratyaya vibhagam kuruta. Now split what is base and what is the suffix pre, etc. Tataha, tat plus tasil. given already. Gatva
Gam plus tva.
tva, that you know, gam plus tva. Kshobhayamasa. How do you spread this? Kshubha. Dhatu is kshubha, it is not given in there. Plus lit form. Srinivas. Kshubha plus lit. It is a perfect tense. This is it. Shubha plus lit. Shobhayamasa. Naditaha. Nadi plus, again taha, when taha comes, what is there in the top? Tasil. Tasil. Nadi plus tasil. Naditaha. From the river. Then antimaha. Vajra tulyahi. Vajra plus tulya. Vajra plus tulya. All are simple. Vajra tulya. Vajra is the base, suffix is tulya. So, gatva gam plus tva, kshub plus lit, and naditaha, nadi plus tasil, vajra plus tulya. Etani tatra uttarani santi. एवं एकोन अशीतितमः श्लोकः सुसम्पन्नः जातः. इदानीम् अशीतितमः 80th poem. श्रीनिवास पठतु.
दर्शयामास चात्मानं समुद्रस्फलितां पतिः समुद्रवचनाच्चैव नलं सेतुमकारयत्.
पदच्छेदः एवमस्ति. दर्शयामास च आत्मानं समुद्रः सरितां पतिः. Another name for samudra is given here. Saritam patihi. Saritam patihi. Nadinam patihi. Sarititi shabdah nadi paryayavachakah. Samudra vachanat cha eva nalam setum akarayat. So when the samudra gave permission, Nala was the engineer. Nala and Neela, these two engineers were there on the side of Sugriva. So they were entrusted with the job of building the bridge. Padaparichayam kurmah Srinivas. Darshayamasa iti dhatu nich. Even in here, Kshubha nichil lit. That I did not, but in brief I showed. Nich is there. So that is Orcha is avyayam, you know, Atmanam. Atman shabdah, nakaranta, samudraha, akaranta pullingam. Saritam. Can you remember the Prathama here? Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. Prathamayam. Dvitiyayam, Sarit, Saritau, Saritaha. Saritam, Sarit, Saritau, Saritam. Sarit, Saritau, Saritam. Sarita. Saridbhyam saridbhihi, sarite saridbhyam saridbhyaha, saritaha, panchami, saridbhyam saridbhyaha, saritaha again shashti, sarito, saridbhyam saritam, shashti, saritam, sariti, sarito, saritsu, iti, saritam patihi. Sarati iti sarit. That is the derivative meaning. Sarati. Because it moves. The river moves, na. Nadati iti nadi. While moving, a river makes sound. So it is called nadi. Nadati. Nadatu, from which you get nada shabda. The beautiful flowing sound of the water. Patihi, ikaranta pullinga shabda, that is. Samudra vachanat. Akaranta ekavacham. Cha avyayam, eva avyayam, nalam akaranta pullinga dvitiya ekavacham. Setum ukaranta pullinga dvitiya. Akarayat kru dhatuhu kartari. See, akarot, you have the form, lung form. Karoti iti lat form, na? करोति कुरु धातोः लटि रूपं कथं भवति करोति कुरुतः कुर्वन्ति लंगि अकरोत् अकुरुताम् अकुर्वन् हियर अकारयत दिस इज निच प्रयोग निजंत मेड हिम डू like we just studied माता अन्नम कृत्वा पुत्रम अखादयत similarly here रामः नलम अकारयत सेतुम अकारयत Rama made Nala undertake the setu construct the setu that is the meaning Akanksha Srinivas Darshayamasa that is the main word Darshayamasa means showed okay Kaha Darshayamasa who showed appeared yes Samudra the ocean showed up appeared Kidrushah Samudra Darshayamasa what type of ocean did appear show up otherwise Patihi Samudraha the ocean the what do you say Saritam Patihi means the Lord that is only the master of the rivers the master of the rivers Lord of the rivers showed himself up Samudraha kam darshayamasa the ocean showed up to whom did the ocean appear Srinivas the ocean showed himself whom did the ocean showed up himself showed up is better I think revealed himself okay whatever it is appeared akarayat iti punah tatra that is the major verb here word suprasiddham tatra padam asti akarayat iti kaha akarayat who made Rama made Rama kim akarayat Rama made what Rama made the bridge Rama kena setum akarayat Rama got this bridge made by whom so you have two like permissions here either you say nalam or nalena Rama got the setu done understood by Nala or Rama made Nala do the setu so you have those two allowed here nalam nalena अन्वयार्थं पठतु श्रीनिवास
पतितां पतिः समुद्रः आत्मानं दर्शयामास रामः समुद्रवचनात् एव च नलं सेतुम् अकारयत्
Saritam Patihi the lord of the master of the rivers Samudraha ocean Atmanam himself Darshayamasa showed up revealed or showed up to Rama understood Samudra Vachanat eva with the word given by the ocean only Nalam Setum Rama Nalam Setum Akarna Rama asked Nala to take up the task of building the bridge Padartha Srinivas Saritam Patihi Samudraha Varidhi another Varidhi we have just now told na Mahodadihi Jalanidhi Sagaraha Arnavaha and one more Patihi something na Ratnakaraha here is coming another Varidhi reservoir of water Varidhi Atmanam Swam Cha Apicha Darshayamasa Pradarshayat Samudra Vachanat Kathanat Eva Nalam now here you see Nalam Nalena is given you can use Nalam Akarayat Nalena Akarayat both are used so Nalam is equal to Nalena Setum Bandhanam Akarayat Karitavan caused to build good Bhavartham Patu
नदीनां पतिः समुद्रः स्वरूपं दर्शयामास लङ्कायाः कृते मार्गदाने अनवधानरूपम् अपराधं च स्वीकृतवान्
okay Nadinam Patihi Samudraha the ocean Ocean, the lord of the rivers, Swarupam Darshayamasa, showed his real identity, and Lankayaha Krute for the Margadane, and in showing the way to Lanka, Anavadhana Rupam Aparadam Cha Svikrutavan, and he accepted his mistake in not showing his Anavadhana Rupam means his carelessness. Anavadhana Rupam Aparadam is careless mistake, inattentive mistake, just Svikrutavan, he accepted. When Ocean appeared before Rama, Ocean accepted his mistake of not giving the way and showing the way to Lanka. Tadanantaram, afterwards, read.
स्वजलस्य उपरि सेतुं
Karayitum.
कारयितुं रामम् अकथयत्.
Thereafter, Swajalasya Upari, over his own water, Setum Karayitum, to build the bridge, Ramam Akatayat, asked Rama to build the bridge over its water. Karayitum means Nirmapayitum, to construct Nirmapayitum. Next, Samudrasya. Having heard the words of the Samudra only, Samudrasya Vachanam Shrutva eva Rama Nalena Setum Akare. Rama made Nala build the bridge. Nalena. Nala Sahayena Setum Akarayat iti artaha. Evam Nidarshana Paryantam Agatavantaha Vayam. Nidarshane Vyakarnamshaha. Prathamamshaha asti Sandhi. Chatmanam. Savanadirga. Vachanach Chutvam Chaiva Cha plus Eva Vriddhi Traya Sandayaha Atra Dirgha Sandhi Savarna Chutva Sandhi Vriddhi Sandhi Samasa Ekaha Eva Drishyate Samudra Vachanat Samudrasya Tasmat Samudra Vachanat Karakam Tatra Karaka Prakaranamapi Dattamasti Nalam. What is here? Why Nalam and Nalena? There are two usages given. Ramaha Nalam Akarayat. Nalena Akarayat. For that he is giving. Hru Kror Anyatarasyamityanena Prayojya Kartuhu Vaikalpikam Karmatvam. So there are two. This is a sutra of Panini, Srinivas, 1453. Those who want to look up can see. The agent of the verb in its non-niche forms, primitive forms, in the case of the verbs like hru, kro, hru means harati, kru means karoti, etc. So the karta of these verbs hru and kru, hru, kro, anyatarasyam, ityanena prajojya kartuhu vaikalpikam. So you have optional two forms for the agent of used with these verbs, Srinivas. So you say either Nalam or Nalena. That is the sutra given here in quotation. Idanim abhyasam kurmaha. Prathama amshaha yathanvayam riktam sthan. That is simple, Srinivas. Anvayat. They can come. Saritam Patihi Samudraha Atmanam Cha Darshayamasa. Samudra Vachanach Eva Nalam. That is very simple. Now, 2. Sarit Shabdasya Chaturaha Paryaya Vachana Shabdan. Now, Sarit means river, you know. Sarati iti Sarit. You write 4 synonym words for Sarit, if you know. First one is Nadi, simple. Then, sometimes we use Sindhu Shabda. Sindhu also means ocean. Sindhu also means river. That is there. Or you can take Apaga. There is one word, Apaga. Sindhuhu, Nadi, Sindhuhu, Apaga, Nimnaga. One more, Nimnaga means that which goes downwards. River always goes downwards, you know, flows down, Nimna. Nimnaga. So what are the 4 words, Srinivas?
नदी
Nadi,
सिंधु
Sindhuhu, Apaga, Nimnaga. Apaga, Nimnaga. Nadi iti suprasiddham padamasti. Sindhuhu api sarve jananti. Apaga iti अन्यः शब्दः, निम्नगा इति अन्यः पर्याय शब्दः. एवं चत्वारः पर्याय शब्दाः सन्ति. नदी, सिन्धुः, आपगा, निम्नगा. नीचैः गच्छति इति निम्नगा इति भवितुम् अर्हति. There is one more also, Tatini. Sometimes we use Tatini, Srinivas, Tatini. That which has a bank, which has a kula, Tatini. So Sindhuhu, Apaga, Nimnaga are Strilinga Shabdas. Nadi is Strilinga Shabda, Srinivas. Sindhuhu could be Pullinga. Mostly Nadi Parya Shabdas are Strilinga. Tatini is Strilinga Shabda. Tatini, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Trutiyamsha, Srinivas. Vakya Rachanam. Yeah. Ramaha Nalena Setum Akarayat. That is what. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 2. Pita Putrena. That is 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 1, 2, 1. I think our readers can follow that. 2 means first line, second word. 1 means second line, first word. Again 2 means third line, karma pada second, kriya pada first. So Pita Putrena Patham Apathayat. That means father made the son read the lesson. Father made the son read the lesson. Pita Putrena Patham Apatayat. Just like Ramaha Nalena Setum Akarayat. Swami Chalaki Swami, the master, Chalakena driver, the driver, Yanam the vehicle, Achalayat. So the master made the driver drive the vehicle. The owner of a vehicle asked the driver to drive, made the driver drive. 3 3 3 3 1 1 4 3 3 1 4. Yeah, 3 3 1 4. Pracharya, the teacher, the principal, Adhyapakena 4 4, Patram 4 4 4, Alekayat 3 4 4 4 3. So Pracharya Adhyapakena Patram Alekayat. The principal made the teacher write the letter. The principal made the teacher write the letter. This is the meaning of this sentence. Evam tatra chatvari vakyani asmabhihi punah rachitani. Shigragatya patami. Ramaha nalena setum akarayat. Pita putrena patham apatayat. Swami chalakena yanam achalayat. Pracharya adhyapakena patram alekhayat. So all these verbal forms, if you observe, etani sarvanyapi kriyapadani niche prayoga sya udaharanani Srinivas. See, akarayat made him do, apatayat made him read, achalayat made him drive, alekhayat made him write. So this is how you understand in English, Angla Bhashaya. Niche prayoga, nijanta prayoga. चतुर्थः अंशः अस्ति श्रीनिवास यथोचितं योजयत योजना join now सरितां ख तकारांत स्त्रीलिंग षष्ठी बहुवचन सरितां goes with ख समुद्रवचनात् घ अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग पंचमी एकवच समस्त पदम. So समुद्रवचनात् goes with घ. न Akarayat goes with the last kru, nich, kartari, lang, trutiya, pratama, purusha, ekavachanam. So third one is going with the last one, And fourth one, Atmanam goes with Ga. Nakaranta Pullinga Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Darshayamasa, top one, Ka. Drush, Nich. Kartari, Lit, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. So you are fast learning this. Very good. I am just giving the answer. Saritam Kha, Samudra Vachanat Gha, Akarayat Gna, and Atmanam Ga, Darshayamasa, top one Ka. This is the Yojana joining Uttaram Likata. Samudraha Kam Darshayamasa. What did whom did or what did the ocean show? Samudraha Atmanam Darshayamasa. Atmanam is the answer. You take out Kam, Samudraha Atmanam Darshayamasa. Saha Kasam Patihi. He is the master of whom? Kasam. Why Kasam here? Tell me. What is Strilinga? Sarit Shabda is Strilinga. If Sarit were not Strilinga, then Kesham would have come. Even in the case of Napumsakalinga also Kesham. Saha Samudraha, understood? Kasam Patihi. Saritam Nadinam Patihi. Good. Ga. Kaha Setum Akaret. Who made the Setu build? No. Kaha who made? Rama. Ramaha Setum Akarayat. Rama made the Setu. Saha cha kena Setum Akarayat. With whom did he make the Setu? Nalena. Yeah, anything, because Kena is given here. Nalena Setum Akarayat. He made the bridge built with the help of Nala. Nya Sa Kasya Vachanat Setum Akarayat. By whose words did he build the bridge? No, Samudrasya. Samudrasya Vachanat. Samudra Vachanat sloka is there. Saha Ramaha. Saha here refers to Ramaha. Kasya Samudrasya Vachanat Setum Akarayat. He build the bridge with the word of the Samudra. When Samudra agreed, only it took up. Evam Ashititamaha slokaha api susampannaha jataha. Idanim ekashititamaha. Patyatam. Vridam upagamat. Tena Padaparichaya Gatva Purim Lankam Hatva Ravanam Ahave. Ahave nama Yuddhe. Ramaha Sitam Anuprapya Param Vridam. Vrida iti shabdaha atra Vridam Lajjam. Param Lajjam Upagamat Anvabhavat. Ramaha Param Atyadikam Lajjam Anvabhavat. Rama experienced a lot of shyness having obtained Sita. Okay. Padachedam. Padacheda Kruta hai idanim na? Padaparichaya. Tena. Tudya ekavachanam. Gatva Tvantam Purim Ikarantam Lankam Hatva Hana iti dhatuhu Hatva Aveyam Ravanam Ahave. So Ahava Shabda is Akaranta Pullinga. Of course, Saptami Ekavachan. Ahava means Yuddha. Yuddha Shabda is Napumsaka. Yuddhe, Ranam. Rana Yuddha. This word is there in Gita also. Ahave comes. Ramaha Sitam Akaram Anuprapya Param Akara Vridam Akar. So this is Akaranta Strilinga Dvitiya Vrida Lajja iti. Punaha Upagamat Upa iti आ इति उपसर्गः गम इति धातुः कर्तरि लुंग दिस इज लुंग प्रयोग अनदर पास्ट टेंस उप प्लस आ प्लस गम उपागमत मीन्स अप्रोच्ड ओके आकांक्षा उपागमत अप्रोच्ड इति आंग्ल अर्थः कः उपागमत हु अप्रोच्ड राम अप्रोच्ड रामः किम उपागमत व्हाट डिड ही अप्रोच Rama approached means here means got. Upagamat has two meanings then here. Upagamat means got to, approached literally. But Vridam Upagamat means he experienced Anvabhavat. Ramahas Lajjam Vridam Anvabhavat. Rama experienced, felt shy. Okay. Saha Kidrushim Vridam Upagamat. What type of shyness did he get? He got highest, great Vrida, shyness. He felt highly shy. Saha Kim Krutva Vridam Upagamat. Doing what did he feel so shy? Anuprapya. Having obtained Sita, he felt highly, embarrassingly shy. You can say embarrassingly shy. Rama kim krutva Sitam anupraptavan. Doing what Rama got Sita? Rama got back Sita having killed Ravana. Ravanam kutra hatva. Killing Ravana where? Killing Ravana in the battle. Ahave, battle. Rane hatva. Ravanam Rane hatva iti. Rama kim krutva Ravanam hatavan. How did... Sorry, what is the question? Rama kim krutva Ravanam hatavan. Kutra gatva should be there. What is it? Doing what Rama killed, okay, literally translating, doing what Rama killed Ravana. Rama having gone to the city of Lanka killed Ravana. Rama kena Lankam Purim gatavan. With whom did Rama go to Lanka? With that setu, with that bridge Rama went to the Lanka. With that bridge built by Tena Setuna. Kena Nirmitena Setuna? Nalena Nirmitena Setuna. Kena Setuna Gatva Ramaha Ravanam Lankayam Hatavan. Iti Tatra Akanksha. Okay, right. We'll stop here then. Tatra 4 not 4 3 I think. This is 3 4 not 4. Samudra Varaya Padani. Page number. Tate Mahodaya. Drushtah na drushtah. Drushtah na drushtah. Page, what page?
Page number 285.
285. Okay, that is 285. Show them. Page 285. Abhyasa? Srinivas, Abhyasa?
Abhyasa 56.
Page 285.
85.
0.4. Oh, tell me. Regular 4. Samudraha is Mahodadi. इति एकं सागरः अर्णवः दट इज एक्स्ट्रा चत्वारः एव आवश्यकः वयो रत्नाकरः किमपि अन्यत् लेखनीयम् here page number 288 page 288 57 अभ्यास point नदी सिंधुः किमन्यत् नदी सिंधुः आपगा निम्नगा आपगा निम्नगा एते चत्वारः पर्यायपदा शब्दाः आपगा निम्नगा मीन्स नीचे ही गच्छति what that which goes down apa means water it goes water go apaga it makes the water flow Sindhu you have to look into I can't remember nadati Sindhu अत्र वयं स्थापयामः शुभं भूयात्